The mural, created for a new elementary school in Saint-Hyacinthe, is called Ruisseau, which means the stream. The school is built on the shores of the Yamaska River and serves as an interior reflection of the beauty outside. The imagery of woodlands and water, printed on a series of reflective panels, is an ever-changing reminder of the importance of the adaptability essential to the formation of young minds. Now I've got my fantasy come true. I'm going to have a 50-foot painting, more than I ever could have dreamed of. Your name is in a roster along with 250 other names of artists who are interested in doing public work. And my name's been in the roster for 5 years, and this is the first time I was called. I had completely forgotten about it, really, as an option for myself. And if it hadn't been for that, this whole process of then reworking for the third time this image, expanding the image, changing the image, it never would have happened. It would have been, well, I did the watercolor, I did a painting of the watercolor, the painting maybe was sold with a little bit of luck, and that would be it. And then here I am sort of a year and a half later with these multiple renditions of this image in different medium, in watercolor, in paint, printed on aluminum, and all the tests we made in aluminum. The booklet that was the presentation for the jury has an image of the watercolor that I did when I was sitting in the stream in the woods. From this watercolor, I scanned the watercolor and scanned other watercolors done at the same time, put them together into this collage until I got a composition that was interesting for me. And then that composition ended up being printed on aluminum and being fit into the maquette in the proper scale. I don't think there's any words to talk about seeing something that you know intimately on a certain scale become so totally transformed by being 100 times bigger than it was when you made it. Comme ça, qu'est-ce que vous pensez est dans la toile? Qu'est-ce que vous voyez dans la Qu'est-ce que vous voyez? Hein? Une arbre, oui. D'autres choses? Combien d'arbres? Combien d'arbres? Trois. Oui, est-ce qu'il y a tout le même sorte d'arbres? These separate panels are really, they're so abstract, and they make me rethink a kind of abstraction that I would never consider. It's such a shock to see the separate panels because they have a life of their own.
complet, tout ça?
Oui, oui, oui.
C'est le grand qui a fait tout ça?
Oui,
Ça a pris combien de jours?
des années.
Des années, vraiment?
Oui.